How you guys doing? I'm always better, just trying every single day. Are you guys residents?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm a timeshare owner. But I just came down Periwinkle, and they're installing fiber optics underneath the ground.
Is that what they're doing?
Are you familiar with frequencies and just like what 3G and 4G have played an effect on the human body over the last 20 years? Well, a study just came out a month ago regarding it. And 60 gigahertz, which is 5G, by far more effective to infiltrate the body and get to the molecular level, O2 molecules, oxygen. So Wuhan had 10,000 5G units. This is something you should look into. That's all I'm going to say.
Okay.
Uh,
That's good to know.
well, we need to stop that because it's not going to be good for people. Hi, brother.